The Instant Pot glass lid can be used instead of the pressure lid when slow cooking, sauteing/browning, or using the keep warm function. Colourless tempered glass, large stainless steel lid knob. It has a steam release vent to reduce condensation on the underside of the lid. It is dishwasher safe and can also be used on the stainless steel inner pot in the oven up to 220°C. It is 23 centimeters, 9 inches in diameter and designed to fit all Instant Pot 6-quart models. Instant Pot is the #1 selling brand of electric pressure cookers in the US. The Instant Pot tempered glass lid with steam vent and stainless steel rim and handle is designed for use with the Instant Pot multi-use programmable pressure cooker. Ideal for when your cooker goes into the keep warm mode and when using the sauté and slow cook programs. It may also be used in the oven with the inner cooking pot up to 428°F, 220°C. This genuine Instant Pot lid makes it ideal for serving and is easy to clean. Top reviews from the United States. Great lid. This lid is ideal for making yogurt or using when you need to see inside the pot, like simmering something, etc. The lid is well made and I have no regrets about purchasing it. Love that it has a little hole that lets built up moisture through.